I wanted to take a minute and share with you some of my favorite accessories for my Tesla Model Y. Now, I'm going to focus on three main categories: protection, keeping your car looking like new; preparedness, making sure you're ready for anything that comes at you on the road; and style, making sure that your Tesla is customized and looking as good as you want it to look. Looking at protection first, I want to talk about the grille screens that I have installed. One is on the lower air dam here, and it prevents leaves and debris from getting into these slats and clogging up the radiator that's tucked really far behind here. That radiator, as your car ages, if it gets clogged up, can reduce the cooling performance enough that it'll trigger an error in the car, causing a several $100 service visit to have the front of the car dismantled and the grill radiator behind it cleaned. The other grill I have is right here on top of the cowl here. This, you can see, is already doing its job. I replaced the HEPA filters on my Model Y recently. They're right underneath here, and you could definitely see leaf buildup and debris in here in the filters. So these screens on top allow plenty of air through, but they prevent sticks, leaves, and other larger debris from getting in. Another exterior protection item I have is right here in the back corner and the front corner as well. These are mud flaps. I picked these up on Amazon. They're super pliable. They've been on the car for probably about a year, and they prevent mud and dirt from getting kicked up behind the car. And I have them front and rear, and they were so easy to install. And I think they add a little bit of style to the car too, plus protection from the elements. And we can't forget about the interior when it comes to protection. So let's talk about the matte screen protector I have for my Model Y screen. This has been great. Not only does it protect the screen from scratches or anything like that, it works perfectly, doesn't slow it down at all, and its matte finish keeps glare off the screen. So everything looks crystal clear, and I don't get any distracting sun glare that makes it hard to see the screen or reflects back at me and blinds me. Next, I want to talk about preparedness. As a dad, I want to make sure that we are equipped to handle whatever the road has coming at us, and that means I have extra equipment on board just to make sure we're ready. And they're all kept right here in the Frunk. First, I want to show you my extension cable from EVDANCE. This is a super long NAX extension cable that can plug into your mobile connector or your wall connector and reach your car. I think I'll put the distance on the screen. It's 15 or 20 feet or maybe more, and it can carry up to 50 amps. This thing has come in clutch a few times, sometimes right here in my driveway. If we have a visitor over and they're parking in front of where I charge, I come home low and I need to plug in. This lets me plug in without juggling cars around. I've also used this at campsites where I can't get the Tesla just close enough to the charging post or to the power post. This has been so great. It's also helpful for when you're at a hotel, maybe a car has iced the charging spot, you can still plug in with this and get around a couple of extra spots. The other thing I keep in my Frunk, besides my EVSE, to make sure I'm ready for anything, is this. This is a super handy tool set. Let's take it to the trunk and I'll open it up. Let's take a look at this tool set. It packs everything nice and tight, doesn't take up much room in the frunk, and as you can see, it has just about everything you would need for a quick roadside emergency. I have various sockets, I have pliers, I have adjustable wrench, hex wrenches, you name it, ratchet, everything, knife. I have screwdrivers, side cuts, pliers, you name it, everything I need to handle an emergency. Whether I'm fixing the car on the side of the road or whether I'm at a friend's house or family's house and they need help fixing something in the house, I have the tools I need on hand with this handy toolkit. And while we're back here in the trunk, I can't talk about preparedness without mentioning my modern spare. These things are so great. I keep this tucked under the sub-trunk, under the floor of the trunk, just like it would be on a regular car from the factory. This is what Tesla should have given us right from the start. This is a spare tire, speed rated for this car, weight rated for this car. It comes with a jack, certified to support the weight of the car. And below, you can see I have things like a flashlight, work gloves, and tire plug kit. This makes sure I'm ready to go no matter what, and I have it parked right next to the Tesla lift pucks and a first aid kit. This setup back here really is an extra level of preparedness that I have in my Tesla wherever I go. And while I've never had to use my first aid kit or lift pucks yet, I'm glad I have these on board. The lift pucks, I've heard of shops refusing to work on a Tesla if the owner doesn't have these. Now, I think that's pretty rare, and I can't imagine there's a shop that doesn't know how to lift a Tesla in 2026, but I keep these on board just in case I have an issue on the road and I run into that situation. First aid kit doesn't need an explanation. Always good to have one of these on hand. And what I like about this one is that it's super small and doesn't take up a lot of space. Last but not least, let's talk about style. Now, I love my roof rack right here. I think it adds a ton of style. This one I happen to get as a deal on Facebook Marketplace, but EVBASE and Hansshow and Amazon all have great options with great reviews that work well, and I'll link them below. I also love this light up Model Y sill plate from Hansshow. This thing looks good here in the daytime. It also looks great at night. And what's cool is that unlike the Tesla OEM ones, these go on the front and rear, so your rear seat passengers get light up door sills too. Inside the car, my aluminum pedals give my car a performance look. The Tesla Model Y and Model 3 Performance come with aluminum pedal covers, but I picked these up on Amazon and they give me the extra style that I like. And while I haven't added a ton of things inside the Tesla from a style perspective, I have a few subtle additions I'd like to call out. First is completely hidden. Right down here, I have a sunglasses holder. It sits very discreetly, mounts under the screen, just snaps in, and has a magnetic snap so I can easily get my sunglasses out when I'm ready for that sunny adventure. The next product I want to show from a style perspective is right here. And it's not so much for the style that it adds, but it's for the style that it hides. A lot of folks have phone mounts for their Tesla Model Y or Model 3 right here on the side of the screen. And their phone ends up sticking up right in the way of your view and right in the view of everyone else, also in the full sun. What I love about this Vion MagSafe phone mount is it keeps your phone right here on the side. It's super easy to position wherever you want. It's nice and low, doesn't block your view out the window, and it doesn't attract any attention from people seeing it on the inside. This thing is really great, and it bolts in right here on the door. It just replaces an existing bolt with a new one, and this adds on and is MagSafe and is just a joy to use. I use it all the time. And my last two style accessories are right here on the dash. First is my light up sexy strip. This is an ambient light strip from Enhance Auto, and this is super easy to install, syncs up with your phone, and you can make this have all kinds of animations like turn signals. You can have it flash in different patterns. You can choose your color, and it's just a lot of fun to have. It also adapts with the lighting, whether it's night mode or daytime. You can crank up the brightness or have it nice and subtle, whatever you like. I've had this since it was launched in October, and it's just been a joy. Check out my previous video for more information on the sexy strip. And the last one is right here. This is an Alcantara style dash pad. I love the simplicity of this. It's just a simple pad. It doesn't stick. There's no adhesive. It holds on pretty well right here. And it gives my car the look of these side door panels for my Tesla. I love the Alcantara style door inserts here on the door cards. And this just carries that look for a premium look right up on the dashboard. But in addition to style, this also prevents a ton of glare on the windshield. So it's easy to see out. And when I film my glorious and super fun road trip videos, you don't get any of that annoying dashboard glare. One special addition is this 200-watt power inverter from Hansshow. This plugs into your car's power port and gives you two AC outlets that you can use to power laptops, charge camera equipment, charge tools on the go, prepare for camping, whatever you need. This gives you the power. So that's it. Those are some of my favorite accessories for my Tesla. I've had all of these accessories for many months now. They've held up great and I use them all the time. And I can highly recommend that from one Tesla dad to another. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, please consider using the affiliate links in the description below. I earn a small commission and I do appreciate that. It helps my channel. Also consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Subscribing costs you nothing, and it does help my small and growing channel, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on another one again soon.